For instance, when you have food, but the food does not have salt in it. I don't know whether in Ateso there is a word for that. Food without salt. No, I don't want a description. I want one word. Somebody come and tell us on the...
Epiana is the word. Epiana.
Epiana.
Latin. Yes.
And in Sabine?
Your Excellency, in Sabine, it is Tai Tai.
It is what?
Tai Tai.
Tai Tai?
Yes.
Okay. And Bagisu? Bagisu?
If it's just salt, we don't have a word for anything.
So,
Your Excellency, I don't agree with that. We have many words, but where I come from, something which is not tasty is Shitswanu. So we cannot say we don't have the words are there.
Sichwanu.
Shitswanu. Shitswanu.
Sitwani.
Shitswanu.
Sitwanu.
Hey. My name is Wanda.
That means it is not tasty.
It is not tasty.
But not particularly for salt.
Not for salt.
Uh-huh.
Eh.
But because it could be tea without sugar. That would be Sichuan also.
Yes.
So the Bagisu need technical assistance in terms of language.
But thank you.
Your Excellency, Washaki Ahmada is my name, RCC Mbale. Shitswanu in Lumasaba means something which is, if it is meat, it doesn't have any fat, and it is not actually tasted for 18 years. But so, without salt, we don't have any word in Lumasaba.